Hey everyone, it's Kristen, and today we're doing a look inspired by Jack Skellington from Nightmare Before Christmas. To start this look, I blocked out my brows, and now I'm using a black face paint to sketch out the area for the eyes. I kind of wanted him to have a more dramatic eyebrow type of look. Then filled in the eye shape with black. Then I sketched out the opening for the nose. Then filled in the background for the top section with white, leaving the mouth section open. I then used gray eyeshadow for the shadows around the eyebrows, making the shadows underneath the eyebrows in the front here very dark. Then adding an eyebrow-like shape above the eyes, kind of giving him a furrowed brow look. Then creating a few shadows around the eyes for a little bit more depth. Then I filled in the nose holes with black. Then I created the cheekbone shape, but I ended up changing this later. Then began making the teeth with white face paint. Then here I changed the cheekbone shape and sort of the gum shape above the teeth. Here I'm creating the lines around the teeth with black. And filling in the background of the mouth areas with white. Then using gray eyeshadow to create the shadows on the gums for some texture. Then using the gray eyeshadow for the shading around the mouth to create more dimension. Then using the gray in the mouth hollow area. Then using black to make the hollow areas darker. Then I add a little bit more black to the gum area. Then I started to sketch out the bones on the neck area. Then sketched out the little fox face that he has on his suit. And then created sort of the bow tie area. And then drew his suit in the background. Then I filled in the background of the neck with black. And painted the neck bones white. Then began shading and adding dimension with the gray eyeshadow. Then I outlined the little fox area with white and then filled that in with black, using the white outline to keep it separate from the rest of the suit. Then filling the bottom suit area with white. Then for his suit jacket, I decided to fill most of it in with black first and then go over that with the white. You do sometimes have to go over the lines several times to make them show up very clearly. Then I start creating the white stripes. Again, filling in his bow tie area with black and then going over that with the white stripes. Then completing the rest of his jacket area, making the background black and then adding the white stripes. The white stripes on the back of the jacket go in a different direction than the ones on his lapels. Then I decided to add in some white contact lenses, and that completes this Jack Skellington inspired makeup look. Let me know what you guys think of this look in the comments down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you guys again soon.